Abbey.
No, that isn't it. I was just wondering, what are you doing here?
Singing the Snowflake song.
Yeah, but, why?
Because I'm a snowflake? Snowflake song! And 1, 2, 3! Every snowflake is unique.
Wait. Surely you see the difference between you and us.
Of course! We're all different. That's the point of the song. Every snowflake is different.
Frank, you're not getting it. Look at the three of us, huh? And then look at yourself.
Yeah, it's beautiful. A winter wonderland.
He's right.
We stand on our lashes, leaves in a stem.
We fall on your cheeks.
I look just like them.
Wait, seriously? Am I the only one seeing this?
Depends. What are we supposed to be seeing?
Well, he's not a snowflake. He's an apple.
Hey! Whoa! Are you telling me that just because I'm a little rounder, a little bit redder, that I'm not a snowflake?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Wait, does that mean I'm not a snowflake?
What about me? I'm confused.
Maybe the song will help clear this up. All made of lovely crystal snow, formed in a winter sky. Some of us twinkle and some of us glow, and some of us live in a pie.
See, there you go. Perfect example. He doesn't twinkle. He doesn't glow. And we don't live in pies.
Wait, how do we know that you're a snowflake? Maybe you're the apple.
Yeah.
I'm clearly not an apple.
I don't know, man. You're getting pretty defensive about it.
What's your problem with apples? I don't have a problem with apples. They're just different than snowflakes.
Exactly. We're all different. Every snowflake is unique.
Especially when that snowflake is actually an apple.
Hey, whoa! You just changed the lyrics.
Yeah, man. I'm not sure if we're comfortable with that. You know what? I hate to say it, but maybe you just shouldn't be in the snowflakes anymore. Should we take a group vote?
What's happening?
All those in favor of kicking Snowflake 1 out of the snowflakes. Sorry, man. Nothing personal, but